Hello everyone, this is Gansham Bajaj. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to discuss about images formed by convex mirror. In convex mirror, there are two cases. First case, object is placed at the infinity, image is formed at the focus behind the mirror. The image will be point sized, highly diminished, and nature of the image is virtual and erect. In the second case, we are going to discuss object is placed between infinity and the pole of the mirror. The image will be formed between pole and focus behind the mirror. The size will be diminished. Nature is virtual and erect. This is the convex mirror in which reflecting surface is outwards. You can see focus and center of curvature. It is placed at the right side of the convex mirror. So we are going to discuss first case when object is placed at the infinity in front of convex mirror. When object is placed at the infinity, then image is formed behind the mirror at the principal focus. The nature will be virtual and erect and size will be highly diminished. So for drawing the image, we have to take two parallel rays. Because from infinities all rays come parallel, and those rays which are coming parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection they appears to diverge from the principal focus of a convex mirror. Like you can see, there are two rays which are parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection they appears to diverge from the principal focus. Like you can see, there are two rays which are coming parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection they appears to diverge from the principal focus of convex mirror. You can see the image is formed, but rays are not actually meeting, they are appears to meet, and when rays are appears to meet, then virtual image is formed. So image will be virtual and erect, size will be highly diminished. The image will be formed at the focus. When object is placed at the infinity, then image is formed at the focus. So as shown in figure, object is placed at the infinity. The rays are coming parallel to the principal axis. Then after reflection, they appears to diverge from the principal focus. The image will be formed at the principal focus behind the mirror. So the image is virtual and erect and size is highly diminished. You can see object position is at the infinity and image position is at the focus behind the mirror. The nature is virtual and erect and size is highly diminished. So when object is placed at the infinity, then image is formed behind the mirror at the principal focus. You are to take two rays which are parallel to the principal axis. This is the diverging mirror. So the rays will diverge but appears to meet at the principal focus. So the image will be formed at the principal focus. Nature of the image will be virtual and erect and size will be highly diminished. Now let's discuss second case of the convex mirror when object is placed between infinity and pole in front of convex mirror. So for drawing the image, you have to take two rays. One ray you will take parallel, which will diverge from the convex mirror, but it will appears to diverge from the convex mirror. Second ray you will take towards the center of curvature, and the ray which is directed towards the center of curvature in front of convex mirror, then after reflection it will trace the same path. So you must have understood you have to take two rays, one which is parallel to the principal axis and second you have to take directed towards the center of curvature. You can see first ray which is parallel to the principal axis incident on a convex mirror, then after reflection it appears to diverge from the principal focus. The ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will diverge from the mirror, but it will appear to diverge from the focus of the convex mirror. When a ray is parallel to the principal axis incident on a convex mirror, then after reflection it diverges and appears to diverge from the principal focus of the convex mirror. Second ray you will take from the center of curvature. So first ray you have to take parallel, incident on a convex mirror, then after reflection it will diverge it will appear diverse from the focus of the convex mirror. Secondly, you have to take directed towards the center of curvature in front of convex mirror. Then after reflection, it will trace the same path as shown in figure. The rays will appear to meet behind the mirror, so image will be virtual because the rays are appearing to meet. They will not actually meet. That's why the image is virtual and erect. So you can see the image A dash B dash, it's erect means CD. It's virtual because rays are not actually meeting, they appears to meet behind the mirror. So image will be formed behind the mirror between pole and focus. So when object is placed between infinity and pole of the convex mirror, then image is formed behind the mirror. The image will be virtual and erect, size will be diminished. Convex mirror always produce diminished image. But there are few advantages of convex mirror, like it always give an erect image and it covers wider area. That's why it is used as a rear view mirror in automobiles. It can be used as a side mirror because it gives always an erect image and it has a wider field of view. इस ज़्यादा एरिया को कवर करता है बिकॉज इट इज़ कर्व्ड आउटवर्ड्स. इसकी सरफेस आउटवर्ड होने की वजह से ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एरिया को कवर करेगा, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एरिया को आप साइड मिरर से इजीली देख सकेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ वंडरफुल डे.